Have you ever been scrolling online and bam, your favorite influencer drops a brand new digital planner and it looks amazing? And you're just sitting there thinking, how on earth did they create that so fast? Well, you're about to find out. There's a huge secret behind that speed, and we're going to pull back the curtain on it. Right? This is the big question. It seems completely impossible. Going from just an idea to a polished, ready-to-sell product in a matter of days. The writing, the design, the formatting, that should take weeks, maybe even months. But here's the thing, they're not starting from scratch. They're using a secret weapon. And here it is. It's called Private Label Rights, or PLR for short. This is the ultimate game changer. Basically, PLR lets you buy pre-made digital products, we're talking planners, ebooks, templates, the whole shebang, and then you can legally tweak it, slap your own brand on it, and sell it as if you made it from day one. It's a massive shortcut. So let's dive into the influencer's secret weapon. Why is this blowing up right now? Well, in the creator world, the two biggest enemies are burnout and the constant need for passive income. PLR tackles both head-on. It gives you a ready-made foundation so you can build out an entire library of products without killing yourself starting from a blank page every single time. And this really is the whole point. It's not about cutting corners or being lazy. It's about being incredibly smart with your time. The most successful creators, they focus their energy on what really moves the needle, marketing and building their community. They use PLR to get their products to market way faster and way more often. Now here's a number that every entrepreneur loves to see. 0. Yep, 0. Because we're talking about digital products, there's 0 physical inventory to worry about, 0 shipping costs, and 0 packaging. It's pure profit. You can sell 1,000 copies or 1,000,000 copies and your costs don't go up. It's one of the cleanest business models you can find. And if that wasn't enough, check this out. The profit margins are just insane. We're talking 80 to nearly 100%. Think about it. Once you pay that small one-time fee for the PLR product, pretty much every single dollar from every sale goes right into your pocket. Okay, so with profits like that, you're probably wondering what people are actually selling. Well, it's not random. The smart creators focus on very specific, high-demand niches where people are already searching for solutions. Let's break down the most profitable categories out there. First up, the powerhouse, health and wellness. This niche is completely evergreen, meaning it never goes out of style. People are always looking for ways to get healthier, eat better, and take care of themselves. That means there's a constant demand for things like meal planners and fitness guides all year round. Next is personal finance. I mean, let's be real. With economic uncertainty being a constant thing, people are desperate for tools that help them get control of their money. Products like budget trackers and debt payoff guides aren't just nice-to-haves, they solve a very real, very urgent problem. The business and marketing category is an absolute goldmine because you're selling solutions to other entrepreneurs. And what's the one thing they value more than anything? Time. So of course they're happy to buy social media templates or pre-written email scripts to save themselves hours of work. You've seen these everywhere, right? Digital planners and journals are consistent bestsellers, especially on platforms like Etsy. With so many people using tablets and apps like GoodNotes, there's a huge market for beautiful, aesthetic planners that help people organize their entire lives. And finally, the category that is absolutely exploding right now, AI-powered tools. We're talking ChatGPT prompt packs, AI-assisted templates, you name it. Every creator out there is trying to make more content faster, and these PLR products are the perfect shortcut to help them scale up. Okay, so you found a great PLR product. How do you turn that generic template into a high-profit machine? This is where the real strategy comes in. The top influencers don't just flip these products as is. They follow a very specific playbook to make them irresistible. It all boils down to these 3 simple but super powerful steps: customize, bundle, and price. This is the framework they use to totally transform a basic product and, of course, maximize their profits. So first, you customize. You take that generic PLR and you infuse it with your brand, your colors, your fonts, your voice. It instantly feels unique and premium. Then, and this is key, you bundle it. So instead of selling just a single planner for, say, $19, you package it with a meal prep guide and a self-care checklist and call it the Ultimate Wellness Bundle for $47. Just like that, you've more than doubled your sale value. And this chart gives you a super clear pricing roadmap.
Your simple, single-item products, like a checklist, they're perfect impulse buys in that $7 to $19 range. Your more substantial guides and planners fit nicely between $27 and $47. And those high-value bundles we just talked about, they can easily go for $57, $97, or even higher.
All right, you've customized it, you've bundled it, and you've priced it perfectly. Now for the most important part. How do you actually sell it? Let's look at the exact marketing channels and platforms that top creators are using to get their products out there. The key is to be everywhere your customer is. Pinterest is amazing because people are literally on there searching for solutions like planners and templates. TikTok and Instagram are perfect for getting discovered through quick, engaging videos. But email marketing, that's where the real sales happen. And a good blog that's optimized for search engines can bring you free, targeted traffic for years to come. Now, where you sell is a big decision. If you sell on your own website using something like Shopify, you keep all the profit and have total control. The downside? You have to bring all the traffic yourself. On the flip side, marketplaces like Etsy already have millions of buyers, but they take a cut of your sales and you have less control over your brand. A lot of savvy creators actually do both. So, where is all of this heading? The world of digital products is changing fast, and the PLR market is evolving right along with it. Let's take a quick peek at what's just around the corner. The future is definitely more dynamic and way more automated. We're going to see a huge surge in AI-powered templates and really cool interactive digital planners with clickable links and embedded features. The demand is shifting away from static PDFs and toward these highly personalized plug-and-play systems that help people automate entire chunks of their life or business. And all of this leads to one final really important question. As tools like PLR and AI make it easier and easier for anyone to create a digital product, the market's going to get crowded. So what's going to make someone buy from you? What will value really mean in the future? Will it be your unique brand, your community, your customer support? That is the million-dollar question for anyone in this space.